Integrals. Find integral 1 divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Okay, we have to find the value of integral 1 by sin square x into cos square x dx. So, we can find this integral, the value of this integral very easily. That is, the first step we are going to proceed is splitting this one using our trigonometrical identity, that is sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Okay, and by proceeding further, we can find the value of this integral, that is 1 can be rewritten as sin square x plus cos square x. Now, in the next step, we are going to divide each of these terms in numerator by the denominator. Okay, that is by dividing each term of numerator by denominator, we will get integral of sin square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx plus integral of cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x dx. Now we could see that the sin square is common in the numerator and denominator, and we could cancel each other. Similarly, we can cancel the cos square x here, and the remaining terms are integral of 1 by cos square x dx plus integral of 1 by sin square x dx. Then 1 by cos square x equal to integral of sec square x dx plus integral of cosec square x dx. Okay. So, now we could easily write the value of this integral, that is integral of sec square x, which is equal to tan x, and integral of cosec square x, which is minus cot x plus c. C is our constant. Okay, so in order to find the value of this integral, at first we have to do, that is, we have to split the one by using this trigonometric identity. Why we are splitting this one? Because we have to reach this step, that is integral of sec square x dx plus integral of cosec square x dx.